My name is Ken Yasunga. I'm the managing partner of Global Hands-On VC. This is a VC fund that invests in Japanese startups and help them go global, established by 2 Japanese and 3 Americans. The quality of the entrepreneur has been improved a lot. Right after college, many people want to start work for the startup because of the better experience. The other trend is there's many foreign entrepreneurs coming to the Japanese market. There's people from US, Russia, China, India, or Singapore, even Europeans. Japan is a unique market. If you are in the manufacturing business or automobile or robot or those kind of industry, your customer is very close. And the customer is the key person who can really enhance your product, improve your product. It's a good place to live. It's a safe and good food. There's very unique culture. So not only the founder, but all the engineers are coming and sending the resume to our portfolio company. The very high class, top class engineers. So I think that's a second trend. There are some noise that, Japan want to be Japan first. So they are a little bit hesitate to have more foreign people to come into the market, but it's not anti-foreign at all. We are promoting a lot of entrepreneurs from all over the world to start the company here. There's a lot of Shibuya startup labs. There's many programs that can help you receive the visa, find a place to live, and get some bank account. There's a lot of good places that we can provide support. And I'm also the head of the global committee at the Japan Venture Capital Association. We are really promoting those entrepreneurs from all over the world. Another trend is government is really backing us. So there's a 5-year program in the previous administrations. It's really helped the university to educate entrepreneurs and have some money coming in, and also promote large corporations to start work with the startup, and also give a lot of government grant. For example, one of my portfolio company is a semiconductor company. They have received a $50 million government grant. I think that's really helped the equity stakeholder to reduce our investment amount and also accelerate the growth.